In this video, we are going to learn about how to move and copy the text. Oftentimes, you will need to move text from one location in a document to another or to a different application. In this case, you will perform a cut and paste method. Or to reproduce a specific part of a document and place it elsewhere, you will perform a copy-paste method. First, we will see how to move the text from one place to another place. The first method to move the text from one place to another is select the data which you want to move, and if you hover your mouse, it shows four-sided arrow. Hold down this and drag to wherever you want. This is the first method to move the data from one place to another place. The second method of moving the text is cut and paste commands. Here you can use cut and paste commands in three ways. We will see the first one. Select the cells which you want to move. For example, I am selecting D6 to G6. Click on cut icon located on the home tab in the clipboard group. See here, cut icon is there. Click on this cut icon. Now, click in the area of the document where you want to paste your text. For example, I am going to paste here. Now, again go to clipboard group and click on paste option. See, the text is moved from here to here. This is the first method. Now, the second method is select the area which you want to move. Right click on your selected area. Click on cut option. Now, click in the area of the document where you want to paste and again right click. Click on paste. See, it moves the data from here to here. Now, the third method is select the area. Here we are going to use shortcut keys. Select the area and use Ctrl plus X to cut the data and move your cursor where you want to paste, and use Ctrl plus V to paste the data. See, like this, we can move the text from one place to another place in 4 ways. Now we will see how to reproduce the part of the document and place it elsewhere. For this, also you have 3 methods. Select the data and go to your clipboard. Instead of using cut option, here we are using copy, and click on the cell where you want to paste and go to clipboard group. Again click on paste. See, it reproduces the second row to 5th row. Now again we will see second method. Select the data, right click, copy, again right click here and paste. See, this is the second method. The third method is shortcut key, that is select your data. For copy, use Ctrl plus C, put your cursor on the cell where you want to paste and use Ctrl plus V to paste the data. These are the methods to move the text from one place to another place or copy the text from one place to another place in a document.